So today I'm actually going to use my Insta360 X3 to get some footage on the back of the car. I've never actually used the 360 cam or an Insta360 cam before, so this is my first with it. So hopefully this is going to be some pretty cool footage. I'm actually going to have my dad come with me. He's never ridden in an S2000 and he's never used an Insta360 before, or really like any of these kind of cameras before, but it's going to be in the Liqui Moly S2000. And we're gonna have some fun. I'm actually at their shop. I'm excited for this footage. That's their nail salon, and I'm just here hanging out with my parents. Go hang out with your parents as much as you can. You never know when you'll never see them again. So I'm gonna hang out with him. We're gonna drive around and we're gonna play around with the Insta360. Here goes nothing. So I actually bought a really, like, just a really long selfie stick. It's gonna extend up really far. And this is it's a Fat Gecko. It's a tripod. Basically, it's a tri-suction cup or a triple suction cup system. So I'm gonna get this third one down. These two are super tight already. So I'm gonna do this third one for stability for when we're driving. And look how long that extends out. So I think that's gonna be really cool. So, like, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. And this is probably gonna flap a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. That's pretty straight, should be good. So I have my dad here. He's never ridden in this car before. He usually doesn't go with me to a lot of these car events, etc. So he doesn't really know a lot of what I do. But hey, say hey, Dad. Hello. So he's gonna actually ride in the car with me with the Insta360, and then we're gonna see what kind of footage we can get from this camera. I think the footage that I've seen has been really cool. I've actually never used one, so I'm a noob to it as well, but we're gonna see how it looks. Put the top down as well. It's a super nice day. I already took the latches off before that. So there's the Insta360, and we're ready to go.